Hello.
It's all about Ghanaian languages. It's all about Ghanaian languages. It's all about Ghanaian languages.
Hello guys, welcome once again to a new lesson on the tree language called Tree Basics 1. And I'm going to take you through the absolute basics of the tree language. Yeah, I wouldn't waste much time, but people have been texting me, they want my contacts and all that. So now it will be rolling on the screen. So if you wish to contact me, kindly take it from the screen. Yeah. So without wasting much time, let's just begin. Now in tree language, if you want to say come, you say it as bra. Bra. So bra is come. Then we have here. Here is eha. Eha, that is here. So bra is come. Here is eha. Then we have over here. Over here is ehanum. Ehanum. So if you want to say come here, you say braha, or come over here, brahanum. Mostly in tree we drop vowels a lot. So yes, you can choose not to drop and say brahanum, but most natives will just drop it and just say brahanum. Now go in tree is said as ko. Ko. There is eho, and then over there is ehonum. So go there is koho or kohonum. That same behavior. Okay. Now we have this word sing, which is pass or trimu. So trimu is more like pass through or pass. Sing is also pass. So maybe come and pass. In tree you can either say besing or betrim. Besing or betrim, come and pass. Besing or betrim. So maybe come and pass here. Besing, then you bring this word wo. Wo simply means at. So English will just come and pass here, but tree is come and pass at here. Besing wo ha. Okay. Or betrim wo ha. Okay. Yeah. Kotrim wo ho. Go past there. Kotrim wo ho. That's all that. Now we have this word she, which is look, and then who, which is see. So she is look, who is see. So maybe she me, look at me, who me, see me. Be she me, come and look at me. Be who me, come and see me. So bra is mostly come, but be is come and. Be she me, come and look at me. Be who me. That's why we say betrim. Okay. Then we have this word to. To is buy it. To is buy it. But then J is collected. To buy it. J collected. So as usual, how do you say come and buy it? Beto. And what of come and collect it? Beje. Go and buy it. Koto. Go and collect it. Koje. Let me give you this word. Ade. Ade means a thing. So koto ade. Go buy something. Koje ade. Go collect something. We even have fa. Fa is take it. So befa ade, come and take something. Beji ade, come and collect something. Okay. Now if you want to say something in tree, you say it as adiebi, or adibi. So in tree is a more flexible language due to the dialect. So something is either adiebi or adibi or bribi, any of these three. Where from the B, yes, in tree B means some. So the full word is AB, but usually when you are attaching this to a different word, the A is just left with the B. So maybe on its own it is AB, some. Okay, but then if you attach the word, maybe Adi B, so Adi B or Bri B. Somebody will ask where from the Bri. Yeah, it's one of those things that's like they are just words, how to say something, but the Bri, you don't really know the root word of it. Maybe the root word is from an old language. Okay. Now we have Wuhontisen. Wuhontisen is how to say how are you in the tree language. Wuhontisen or Wuhontiden. So some tree dialects will say Wuhontiden, typically the Equiapens. Okay. They will say we want to then, and let's also say we want to send. Then the response is me who ye or me who ye. So the captain to say me who ye, whilst the Asantis or the regular to say me who ye. Me who ye. And then etisen is how is it for the normal tree, etiden is how is it for the Equiapem. Then eye or eye based on the dialect. Eye is usually the Asante tree, eye is usually the Equiapem tree. Now let's look at some very few random words in the tree, like how to say I'm coming. I'm coming is meba, or mereba, either way. So mereba is the written standard, but some will still say the mereba, others will say meba. So you are coming, woba or woriba, based on your own preference. So with some people the re is dropped and will just say woba, others will say woriba. Some will still maintain the re, so it depends on you. So oba or oreba. So either oba or oreba, feel free to use any one you want to see. So maybe I'm going, meko, you are going, woko, she's going, oko, okay, in that order. I'm taking, mefa, wofa. So fa is take, don't forget. Now let's take money. Money is treated as sika, so maybe mefa sika, I'm taking money, or mefa sika, I'm taking money. Wofa sika, you are taking money, in that order. Okay, we have this word ye. Ye means do it in the tree language. So ye ding literally means keep quiet, and then ye intent is hurry up. Okay, then let's learn how to say goodbye in the tree language. Goodbye in the tree language is said as ya. Okay, we have the ya or cobra. Literally go come. Cobra. We know we've learned co and we've learned bra. So cobra, go can. That's how to say goodbye in the tree language. Goodbye. And maybe also tell somebody, I'll be right back. You will say merekwaba, or merekwaba. So it's a way to say I'm going to come, literally, but you are trying to say I'll be right back. Do you have any questions? If yes, kindly drop it in the comment box below. Yes, I'm now trying to revive my lessons on this YouTube channel. I know I've paused for like a year or two, but I want to revive it again. And I'll try to do better this time. Honestly, I never growing up comes with lots of responsibilities, so it's a little uneasy, but I'll try my best to do the right thing. So if you have any questions, do not forget to drop it in the comment box below. And yeah, without much I say, yeah is a way to say goodbye, but in this virtual form. So like how you are chatting, you are chatting virtually, you are not chatting in person. So if I'll tell you goodbye, I'll say yeah instead of cobra. So yeah.